क्यों तू नहीं तोड़ा क्या? उसने तोड़ा?
मैंने तोड़ा।
क्यों रे? पोजेसिव हो गया था वो?
नहीं, sometimes you are taken for granted and you cannot let that happen.
So that's why you said Tata bye bye.
Yes.
Where are you traveling, Baba?
Dubai.
Nice to meet you, man. Enjoy it. Hello.
Hi, I'm Erica Fernandez.
Hi, this is Lakshay Kapoor.
And do not forget to subscribe to Siddharth Kanan's YouTube channel now.
तुम्हें प्यार करूंगा, ये शब्द, ये लाइन सब लोग एरिका फर्नांडिस को लगातार कहते रहते हैं, पर एक लड़के ने नहीं कहा और वो फ्रेंड जोन हो गया। सीधा लक्ष्य कपूर लगा दिल में। बहुत लगा क्या?
लगा
जोर का लगा।
बहुत जोर का लगा, बट इट इज व्हाट इट इज, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग
Wait,
अबाउट
1
इट।
minute. आगे की कहानी किसी को बताई नहीं हमने। टू बी कंटिन्यूड लिखना
हाँ।
बाकी रह गया।
यानी कहीं एरिका को विश हो रहा है कि यू एक्चुअली प्रपोज टू हर यार।
He didn't ना।
I did-
जब
I had-
मौका था तब नहीं किया, और जब मैंने बोल दिया कि मैं किसी और से शादी करूँ तब रिंग ऐसे छुपा रहा है। कैसे ऐसे कैसे मतलब?
Isn't it a story of all of us?
See, that is the thing, because
somewhere,
people
somewhere.
wait for the right time. They don't make that time the right time.
भाई
That is
मेरे
it.
लाइफ में मैं कभी फ्रेंड जोन नहीं हुआ हूं।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
इसलिए तो शादी हुई ना।
हाँ, मैं नहीं, पहले भी जब गर्लफ्रेंड
सीधा रिजेक्ट।
सीधा पर मैं पूछता था डायरेक्ट, तो या तो रिजेक्ट या तो हाँ। मैं बीट राउंड द बुश नहीं करता था।
वेरी नाइस।
बट जेन्युइनली बताओ, जब तुम एरिका के साथ शूट कर रहे थे, डिड यू हैव अ क्रश ऑन हर और नॉट?
Did you?
she is a very pretty girl and she is a pretty soul. So why not?
भाई
You did?
नॉट में हुआ या नहीं हुआ भाई?
किसको नहीं होगा?
तुम्हें हुआ कि नहीं?
He's like beating around the bush now. Say
Yeah.
it.
Say it.
हो गया।
हो गया क्या? तो कहीं लगा कि तुम रियल लाइफ में भी एरिका को प्रपोज करो?
Okay.
No, that's mine. I've gifted myself that.
Cutie, she is not gifted her.
I have. The ring, the stone wouldn't have been
She's
so
taken.
small, na?
She's taken ना?
I am.
Are you?
Of course, तूने मेरे ही शो पे
When? That was how many years ago?
2-3 साल पहले
Exactly. That was it
बस
ended also,
इतनी?
na?
टूट गया तेरा।
टूट गया।
Oh shit.
यार उस समय उन्होंने इतने प्यार से मुझे बोला कि I've got someone outside the industry. ये
Yeah.
वो। क्यों तू नहीं तोड़ा क्या? उसने तोड़ा?
मैंने तोड़ा।
क्यों रे? पोजेसिव हो गया था वो?
नहीं, sometimes you are taken for granted and you cannot let that happen.
So that's why you said Tata bye bye.
Yes, it was happening for quite some time, so I think it was time to put a full stop to that. No?
I like it. People who take decisions for themselves and stand up for themselves.
You
Full
go,
power.
girl.
नहीं।
Respect. But कहीं मिस करते हो उसको कि नहीं?
No.
Move on माने move on.
Yes, I think I've given myself more importance after that, and I have made myself a priority. And I've पहले मैं सिर्फ बात करती थी सेल्फ लव के बारे में, लेकिन उसका असली मतलब मैंने जाना उसी ब्रेकअप के बाद।
Wow.
वाओ, तुम इस वक्त तुम सिंगल हो?
जी बिल्कुल।
Genuinely.
It's been I think 1.5 2 almost like nearly 2 years now. 1.5 to last time when I told you it was the word
Yeah.
1.5 types now.
तो यानी कि
I've lost count, so I don't know how long I've been single for. It's been that long.
माने you're enjoying life too much
Yes.
when you lose count of time मेरे।
Yes, no, that's true.
तो ये रिंग दिखाओ, एक सेकंड मुझे दिखाओ। ये तुमने उसका रिंग है कि तुम्हारा रिंग है?
मैंने खुद को पहनाया है।
How sweet यार।
Very sweet ना?
How sweet। ऐसे ही है खुद के
Self love.
सेल्फ लव ऐसे कहते हैं हम लोग, ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं। हाँ, तुम भी कर सकते हो भाई। I said self love, not self
Feel.
ये
Did I become lusty?
ये हनीमून हो जाता है भाई, हनीमून। बट अभी क्योंकि वो सिंगल है, दिल से बोलो, कहीं लगा कि मैं इसको प्रपोज करूं सच्चे दिल से, वो इंटरव्यू वाले आंसर्स मत देना मुझे।
Honestly, I am not in a phase of my life where I can give it to anybody. Being very honest with you. So
give what to anybody?
give those. You need to be committed in that sense. I think मैं being a businessman and now entering this industry, it takes a lot. It takes a lot of energy, and I want to focus there.
तो भाई बिजनेसमैन हो, म्यूजिशियन हो, बीच में एरिका फर्नांडिस के साथ प्यार हो जाए तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसमें?
बहुत लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस होगा।
हाँ, ये दुबई में रहती है आधा टाइम।
और हम आई थिंक हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, एंड दैट आई थिंक वर्क्स वेरी वेल फॉर
And
अस.
I am not looking for anything beyond a friendship at this point of time because I have
वीडियो
जब
में भी
निकल
यहाँ
जाते हो, हाँ, वीडियो
कट
में
गया.
It's not just him. I think any guy who would come at this point of time in my life, I think they would be friend zone because I'm not ready.
I think relationships are a little hyped. I think staying alone and
Relationships in today's time are not very real.
yeah.
You genuinely feel आज के टाइम पे relationships real क्यों नहीं है आपके हिसाब से?
क्योंकि सब कुछ सोशल मीडिया के लिए होता है। मैंने आज इसको ये दिया तो मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे डाला, हम साथ में यहाँ गए हॉलिडे पे तो ये सोशल मीडिया पे गया, मैंने इसके लिए ये बनाया तो ये सोशल। लोग ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया के लिए चीज़ें करते हैं, खुद एक दूसरे के लिए नहीं, एक दूसरे के लिए कम करते हैं और सोशल मीडिया या दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए ज़्यादा करते हैं। So that thing is something it's very superficial, no? Everything is very superficial and it's very tough to find people who actually do things for you, who actually value you or would make that time for you.
मैं एक चीज बोलूं, बिल्कुल सही कहा। आधे लोग दिखाते हैं वो खुश है, बट
जी।
एक्चुअली खुश बिल्कुल नहीं है।
बिल्कुल।
सब प्रेशर रहता है, फोटो डालते घर जाके रो जाते हैं,
जी।
फिर वापस कल पोस्ट करते हैं, एक स्माइल आवा, फिर रोते हैं।
जी।
आई लाइक इट। आई लाइक द फैक्ट दैट एरिका बहुत स्ट्रांग है व्हेन इट कम्स टू सेइंग व्हाट शी डज।
She is.
शी इज एब्सोल्युटली।
She is.
जब तुमने ओपनली क्रिटिसाइज किया ब्रह्मास्त्र को,
I don't know, I get trolled for being honest most of the times.
I think you should be loved for being honest because that's what the new generation wants. They want real people.
Yeah.
They don't want bullshit. People can see through bullshit.
Yes.
कहीं तुमने 4 बार सोचा कि यार करण जौहर क्या सोचेगा, अरे काम नहीं मिलेगा इंडस्ट्री में, ये कैंप के साथ क्या होगा?
I don't think I have done that because I have spoken for myself when need be. More I have spoken for people, for other people, you know. जब जहाँ पे मुझे दिखता है कि गलत हो रहा है किसी के साथ तो मैं बोलती हूँ। मैं ये नहीं सोचती हूँ कि आगे से क्या कोई कुछ बोलेगा मुझे या मुझे आगे जाके काम नहीं मिलेगा। अगर if I have worked so much and I have that kind of body of work and everything, if it works, people will love me. Obviously, I will get work. But when it comes to the right and wrong, some people do it again. I have seen people do it just because they want to look good in the eye of people, and some people do it by okay, इससे मुझे fan base मेरा ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा या इससे they don't really think in a way कि what I'm doing tomorrow if I say something, will I regret what I'm saying or will I be satisfied or happy from within. And I don't think that I regret anything that I have done, or if I've stood up for someone, I don't think that I have regretted any of those things, because I know if I stand for the truth, I know I've stood for the truth. You have to think what you want to think, that actually defines you, not me.
So when you came out of talking about Brahmastra openly,
Right.
you didn't think twice?
I didn't, because if I'm saying that it was a good start to, it's a good beginning to something that is a new change in Bollywood. But it was not a successful one because there were so many different things, so many things that didn't add up. Correct? There were a lot of things that, why are you like nodding like, you don't agree?
I have a different view to that, but yeah, I mean.
It was high on, the VFX was amazing. I don't think that, any of our films had that quality of VFX that Brahmastra did. That is actually the good part. There are always pros and cons to everything. That is a good part, because here we are taking a step forward in this world. But when it comes to the whole storyline and the performances and everything, that is what was lacking.
But I told you, like I said, new girls, girl power, Wonder Woman. Obviously, Lakshay, सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं about your bond with Karan Johar. अभी you're signed on with Karan Johar's company as well as a talent.
Yeah.
ये association, ये bond कैसे हुआ?
बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है. सो मैंने कभी, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैंने कभी भी सोचा भी नहीं था और ड्रीम भी नहीं किया था दैट आई विल सिंग. It was something which was not planned for me. I was working, I had my own company and all of that.
You still have it?
Yeah, obviously.
भाई बहुत solid party है भाई. मांग लो अभी. हाँ. बस बटन के लिए पैसे नहीं, बाकी सब है भाई।
So बड़ा मेरे लिए बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग सा फीलिंग है क्योंकि मेरे सोशल मीडिया से ही सो इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो आई नेवर टुक सीरियसली बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट इन टू इट। तो मेरी एक वीडियो फ्रॉम अ कॉमन फॉलोअर शी सेंट वन ऑफ माई वीडियोज़ टू करण जौहर एंड ही जस्ट लव्ड, आई डोंट नो हिज इंस्टिंक्ट्स और समथिंग जो भी है। उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज भी किया कि मैंने आई लव योर वॉइस एंड दिस एंड दैट। आई हैड 300 फॉलोअर्स दैट टाइम। शी वाज लाइक आई लव योर वॉइस एंड आई हैव सेंट योर वीडियो टू करण। करण हूँ तो बट हाउ वुड आई नो ना।
Of course, India has a
So
lot
I
of
was still
Karans.
happy कि चलो किसी ने मेरी वीडियो किसी को भेजी। I was still happy कि किसी ने मेरी वीडियो कहीं भेजी या whatever it is. Then I get a screenshot of Karan appreciating me and that his voice is so lovely and all of this. Tell him to sing Channa Mereya. And that feeling was just very overwhelming. So I just dubbed and sent and this and that. That's how it started. And then they wanted, I think उस time पर DCA formulate हो रहा था and I think I was the first one they had in mind to sign on as a singer, as a talent and बस उसके बाद जर्नी शुरुआत हो गई।
क्या बात है, और एक खुले बटन की कसम, क्या
बंद कर लूं?
भाई मैं
खुले बटन और बालों की कसम।
भाई व्यूज बढ़ेंगे भाई, बटन और कम करने तो कर ले।
Beauty, beauty.
खोल ले भाई, और व्यूज बढ़ेंगे। They like seeing good abs. But you know what, जैसे मैंने कहा, जब मैं पार्थ समतान से तुम्हारे बारे में बात करता हूँ, बहुत तारीफ करते हैं आपकी। शहीर से बात करो, तारीफ करते हैं। जब मैं गूगल मारता हूँ तो लोग कहते हैं एरिका फर्नांडिस और पार्थ समतान बीच में गड़बड़ी हो गई थी वगैरह वगैरह। What was that?
That was that people assume a lot of things, and again, I don't do things for social media. The relationships that I actually value are not on social media.
Wow.
There are very, very less of it I would put on social.
See, I also believe in this. I think being in an industry जहाँ पर you have to be everything of yours is just public. Some things should be kept private, and that is your relationship because that is something which is the only piece in all of this fuss, I feel. So
The sanity in this incense.
correct.
Incense.
So वो that thing, even I am like that. I keep my personal life very personal to me. I mean
Secretive. you
very
mean.
very secretive that way.
Not
Because-
private. Not private. He's very secretive.
Yeah, but I don't want कि कुछ जो अच्छी चीज़ें हैं लाइफ में वो नज़रों में आए। नज़र लगती है।
नजर लगती है।
I agree. दूसरा चीज क्या होता है, अगर पूरी दुनिया को मालूम है तुम क्या कर रहे हो, फिर what do you have for yourself?
Correct.
Exactly.
I understand that.
You need to be selfish in those terms कि जो moments आप बनाते हो वो सबके साथ नहीं चलते. You have to be selfish in that way. That these are the moments that I keep for myself. There are so many pictures that I do not take on my phone. I have a camera.
Yeah.
I told you, remember?
Yeah. That's
Like,
very
I have a
beautiful thing
camera
about her.
Which, you know those Polaroids that come out?
जी।
I have those, and those pictures I keep for myself because they're not supposed to be shared for the world. That's
I do
just
feel she's very spiritual that way. I mean,
Of
I
course.
am,
the first
I am.
time I met her, I think the reason that I opened up was we were talking about honestly about universe and I don't know some scientific phenomena which she was asking me, like bouncing a lot of questions. Which did I know or not?
no.
Okay.
You're still
No, but
yet to give me those answers.
some rain droplets. I don't know what things, but she's very spiritual and very somebody who you feel is not too much about this. You know.
This मतलब क्या?
The whole acting thing,
The glamour,
the glamour
glamour,
thing,
the
exactly
glamour, yeah.
beyond that.
In
the
fact,
reality.
लड़की में बहुत depth भी है. I've known her for 11
Yeah,
years. You've got
true.
a lot of depth. You can actually have long conversations with her on a lot of things.
Not small talk.
You're not
I
small
hate
talk.
small talk.
Hey, what's up? ये नहीं है. इसके
नहीं,
साथ
नहीं,
बहुत
He knows
solid.
that.
I know.
And that's what I love.
I don't
about
do that.
Exactly why you know
her.
it.
ये वो what's up? How's it?
No.
फटफट नहीं. ये बात करती है.
Yeah.